Just like with fluid data, you can also save and share component data with your colleagues in FluidFlow. Let's walk through how it works using a pump as an example. Go to the database menu and select the component category you need. For this example, we'll go to Boosters and select Centrifugal Pump. Use the search bar to find the specific component you want to share. Here, we'll search for Test Pump. Once you've found it, click the Save button. A Save dialog will appear. Give your file a name and click Save. One thing to note, component files are saved with the .ff3c extension. That's the file type FluidFlow uses for all component data. You can now share this saved file with your colleague by attaching it to an email or through your preferred file sharing method. On your colleague's end, loading the file is just as straightforward. To load the file, your colleague goes to Database, selects Boosters, then chooses Centrifugal Pump, since that's the type of component being loaded. They'll click the Load button, locate the file that was sent to them, select it, and click Open. Once loaded, the new pump will appear in their database. If they need to rename it, they can do so in the Name field. When done, click OK to save it to their database. This same approach works for all other component types in FluidFlow, including manual valves, control valves, check valves, and more. You can also save and share pipe data the same way, with one important thing to keep in mind. You cannot add a new pipe material from scratch. You can only add new pipe specifications under one of the existing pipe materials. So if you have a custom pipe type, say a fiberglass reinforced plastic pipe, add it under the closest matching existing material, such as glass pipe, and then define your specific pipe entries from there. And that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to email us through our support channels.